On today's body cam, we're checking out drunk woman can't stop laughing after crashes.
Hey.
Hey. Hi.
Go ahead and pay GMS. I don't believe she's injured, but we'll need an evaluation.
I'm sorry.
Sarah, right? Sarah?
Whatever.
You, sounds like you might have crashed into a couple of things. You're kind of just in somebody's yard right now.
Yep.
Okay. Are you injured at all?
No.
No?
Whatever.
Where were you coming from?
My work?
You were coming from work?
Yeah.
Where do you work at?
Splash?
Splash?
Yeah.
What's Splash? I'm not familiar with that.
Okay.
Where is Splash at?
35?
Like Splash Zone?
No, like Splash.
Okay. How's front end look? Did you see those poles when you were coming this way? Yeah.
Hey!
Look, at one point she must have been trying to get out. I don't know.
Just front end damage.
Is it passenger side?
Right in the middle.
Right in the middle? Okay.
Really? Hey.
Hey, what?
No, I'm touching you. I'm touching you.
Looks like she also hit some underground cable utility box. So, Sarah, you said you're not injured?
Okay.
You're what?
A little.
What's injured on you?
My left shoulder.
Left shoulder. That's it?
Left tibia.
Ugh.
Flat tire. Sunroof's out.
Yeah. So I don't know if one of the poles landed on the roof.
I think she hit the pole and landed on top because her windshield's cracked.
Sarah, how much have you had to drink tonight?
A lot.
Okay. What have you been drinking?
Everything.
Everything. Okay. Well, I have an ambulance coming to check you out. Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty.
But I'm still alive.
You're still what?
I'm still your boss.
You're definitely not my boss.
I bet you I am.
So here's what's gonna happen, okay?
Oh, what's gonna happen?
Ambulance is gonna come check you out, okay?
Okay.
And then we're gonna
And I'm still alive.
we're gonna deal with the situation, okay? Because
Yeah.
you struck some poles downtown,
Super
Complete-
f***ing good.
okay? All right, I could see you're taking this situation very seriously.
You can see the look on her face. That was sarcasm. Listen, this is a dangerous situation, and good thing she did not hurt anybody. Okay. She is highly intoxicated. You can tell. But the one thing I would say is that it's good that she was at least honest about the situation. When the officer said, "Hey, what have you had to drink?" She said, or how much did you have to drink? She says, a lot. A lot of people are not honest, but we must commend her for her honesty.
Okay.
Super.
You understand you could have hit somebody?
No.
You don't understand that at all. You drove up on a sidewalk and you hit some light poles down. You understand that there could have been people there?
For me right now. I'm not gonna.
Okay. Are you on parole, probation, or anything?
No.
Okay. Do you have any open cases?
Nope.
Okay.
I'm a white bitch. Nope.
Have you ever been arrested for drunk driving before?
Yes.
Okay. Where was that at?
Wisconsin and Minnesota.
Okay.
So f with me.
Okay.
Police reports indicate Sarah did extensive damage to a light post that was completely knocked down, which exposed live wires to pedestrians walking, a street lamp that threw glass pieces in the street, and the cable utility box that the officer noticed, which likely took out new gigabit fiber internet to all the houses in the neighborhood.
You said you were coming from work, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Splash. And
Yeah.
it's on 35?
Yeah.
Is it just south of River Falls?
I thought I said it was, if it was
You
a
know who
Splash.
I am?
I don't know.
Oh.
Do you live by yourself?
Yeah.
So there's no one at home right now?
My man's at home.
Your man's at home?
Yeah.
And which address?
But he's black, so you don't like him.
Okay. Which address? Okay. All right. You stay with me. Okay.
I'm thinking that the officers are not gonna like her now. Has nothing to do with your man being African American or he could just be African, right? She just said black, so we don't know what type of black he is. But anyways, yeah, her attitude is nasty. She started off cool, she was being honest, but now she's flipping the officers off and all that other stuff. Listen, she's brought the problems upon herself. Nobody told her to get drunk, get into the car, and drive into the pole.
We got the ambulance here. They're gonna check you out. What's going on? So she hit a pole downtown. Hit the tree here, went off road, popped tire. Pole landed on her car. Says she has left shoulder pain. Probably not gonna get any good answers from her.
Are you planning on taking her?
Yeah.
Plan that far?
Yeah. Well, we'll do all that stuff when you guys are done. Okay. But okay. Yeah, just check on her.
There's nobody home. I don't know why she said her boyfriend, unless he's out somewhere, who knows. Depending on her condition, if she will be able to complete fields, depending on how she seems, she is heavily intoxicated. I wonder what else she hit on the way here. I didn't see anything obvious, but...
So she said she had a lot to drink?
Yeah.
It was everything?
Yes.
Yeah. Did she say where she's coming from?
Splash, wherever she works at. And she said, I'm 35. We'll clarify more with her.
Can't even tell me her address, her name. She's just, more like calling me names than anything else.
Hey, Cody, it's Sergeant Walker. Hey, so we had a vehicle strike a bunch of light poles, at least 2 of them. The poles are completely detached, but there's wire sticking out of the ground right on the sidewalk. All right, thank you. Yep. All right, bye.
Was the car off when you got here?
Yeah, the keys were on the ground. I had the keys in my pocket, so she must have tried to get out at one point, and then couldn't. And then she looked like she was passed out in there. She was turned like she was to the side, and her head was slumped over.
Splash? Is that what you call?
Yeah, I don't know.
Let's just keep the door open here. They just checked you out. They're going to head out of here. Any questions for them at all?
Why the fuck?
Okay. You guys are good to go.
Would you like us to take you to the hospital? Do you feel like you need to get checked out by a doctor?
Do you feel I need to be checked out by a doctor?
That's up to you.
It's a yes or a no.
No.
All right.
Who's that dude?
He's the ambulance guy.
I don't give a shit.
Well, he's leaving now, so.
So we know each other, right?
I don't think I know you now. So, Sarah, you said you were coming from Splash.
But you don't know me.
I know your name's Sarah. Am I supposed to know you?
Absolutely not. If you know my first name.
Well, I do know your first name, yeah. So you're coming from Splash, South Highway 35?
What?
Okay. Did you stop any other place tonight?
No.
Coming from Splash work
I'm
to home?
going back to work and I'm heading back to work.
Okay, you're going to work right now?
Yeah.
So you told the other officer you had some alcohol to drink tonight. How many
Do you
would
have
you
a
think?
problem with that, officer?
Well, I'm just asking you questions, trying to get a better understanding of what happened.
So we both went to school together. We're not
So how much
but I
alcohol
work
did you have to
with
drink?
them.
How much alcohol have you had to drink tonight,
They're
Sarah?
my employees.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm the bad one.
How many alcoholic drinks would you say you had tonight?
7.
7. Okay. And what were those drinks? Were they beer, mixed drinks, wine?
Really? I'm not with you. You're not with me. Do you want to get gutted?
Okay, so Sarah, I want to see what your level of impairment is like right now. Are you able to step out of the vehicle and stand up for me? Can you do that for me, please? Can you step out of the vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. All right, take a couple steps over here. Just stand right there for me, please, okay? So I want to do a couple tests here. Are you willing to do those tests for me?
No.
Can I explain the tests?
No.
Okay. Are you refusing to do standardized field sobriety tests?
Absolutely not.
You're not refusing.
No.
So then are you willing to do the tests?
Do you want to absolute sobriety to my test?
Sarah, the questions you're asking me don't make sense. That's
They
why I'm
don't
not
make
answering.
sense to me either.
Sarah, are you willing to do the test for me if I give you the instructions?
No.
So are you refusing to do the
No.
test? So in total...
Stop.
So Sarah,
I advise you to stop.
your answers are contradicting.
Your answers are contradicting too.
Here's what I'm going to do, Sarah.
Stop. I advise you to stop.
So Sarah...
Stop. Stop.
Stop what?
I'm asking you not to.
If you don't want to do the test, then you don't have to.
I can do them, but I'm asking you not to. I'm not refusing you, but I now rank you by a lot. I have PSTD to my head injury, my neck, and my back.
So the first test is a test.
What did she just say? What is she talking about? This lady is nuts. She keeps saying, I advise you, I advise you, I advise you. Listen, I advise her man to leave because this is not it. She's already got DUI before, and this is again. So she did not learn her lesson the first time. When she said no, when the officer said, hey, are you willing to do some standard field sobriety tests? And she said no. I'm thinking, oh, she said that because she knows that not to do them, right? You refuse the field sobriety test, and then you have to do the chemical test. You know, you do the chemical test. That's something that you could get penalized for not doing. But the field sobriety test, if you decide not to want to participate, you do not get penalized. So why would somebody participate in that? So I'm thinking that, oh, okay, she smartened up from her last time a little bit, but she didn't.
Of your eyes. Hey, Sarah,
please go over there.
Hey.
Sarah, please go over there. He's talking to you. Please go over to that officer. He's talking to you, okay?
I respect you. I love you.
Okay. Sarah, do you have resting nystagmus in your eyes at all?
Yes.
Yeah, you do.
I do.
Okay, what does that mean?
I'm psychotic. I'm neurotic. Go ahead and arrest me right now.
What we're doing?
Am I not psychotic?
So, Sarah, that's not what we're doing right now.
Okay, I have resting neuropathy. I cannot command on your commands.
For this test, I'm going to have you look at the tip of my pen. So, Sarah, look at the tip of my pen, please, with your eyes and your eyes only. Okay, you can put both your feet down. That's not what we're doing right now.
I cannot do it.
Sir.
I have not been
Sir.
able to do this test for 10 years.
Sarah, just pay attention to him.
I cannot subject to your test because I'm retarded.
So let's move on to the next test, okay? It's called the walk and turn.
I can do the walk and turn. I can't do that test.
Okay, then we're not going to do that test. Sarah, come back here.
Go over there. Sarah, please go over there. Sarah, don't touch me.
boy.
Just go over there, please. Sarah, please go over there.
Okay, put your left foot on the line. Put your right foot in front of your left foot, touching up the toe.
I'm not gonna pass
Okay.
it.
Well, you're not even listening to me. Do you want to do the last test, Sarah?
Yeah.
When I tell you to, I want you to lift with either foot you'd like off the ground. Count out loud in the 1,000 manner.
1002.
I didn't tell you to start yet.
1003. 1004.
Sarah, stop. Okay, we're not going to do that because you can't hold your balance. Okay, Sarah, I'm going to have you take a PBT next, okay? Have you done this before?
With Smith, I'll take it.
Okay, take a long, steady breath. Okay. So you said...
My name is Sarah.
No, I'm not going to shake your hand right now. Sarah, right now you're under arrest for operating while under the influence. Put your hands behind your back for me, please.
Do you have any vehicle insurance?
Yeah.
Do you have a card?
Smith, seriously?
Could you listen,
We've
please?
known-
Sarah, do you have a card?
Smith?
My name is not Smith.
Yeah, it pretty much
Do you
is.
see that? What does that say?
Walker.
Yes, that's my name.
And we've known each other for 12 years.
I've known you for quite a while, yes.
This little bitch. I do not like him. I don't like that dude.
Okay.
He's a white little f***ing... I try to prove something.
Go ahead and have a seat, okay?
Hey,
Sarah, have a seat, please.
am I gonna trust you?
You can trust
I don't like
Sarah,
that dude.
You can trust both of us.
No, I trust you.
Okay. Obviously, you could kind of tell him what the situation is.
Wait, hold on. So she knows the black officer, but she does not know the other officer. And the black officer says, hey, I'd have known you for a long time. Do they have a past?
Yeah, you have the patience of a saint, for the record.
Did you hear it or did you see it happen?
So I heard her hit the box.
Okay.
And so I flipped on the doorbell to look. I have it on the doorbell. I caught it on video. Her backing, pulling forward, backing back, and then hitting the tree. And then stopping. And then she just sat there for a while.
Did you ever see her get out of the car?
No. She sat in the front seat of the car
Okay.
I think the majority of the time.
And you know it was a female the whole time?
Yeah, in a pink, a pink or a red shirt.
Sit down.
Sit down. You're not doing this.
I'm not doing this. You're right.
Stop.
There, that's enough of that.
That's enough.
This is enough of your shit.
Police reports indicate while at the hospital, Sarah kicked an officer in his groin and upper left leg. Sarah's PBT resulted in a .219 blood alcohol concentration, over twice the legal limit. The cost of the light pole and light Sarah damaged was valued at $4,200. In addition, replacing a cable utility box can cost up to $2,500, bringing Sarah's total damages up to an estimated $6,700. According to court records, she was charged with felony battery to a law enforcement officer, resisting obstructing, and her third OWI, which all had repeat offender modifiers, and she was also charged with operating a vehicle with a prohibited alcohol concentration. The battery charge was deferred and she pleaded no contest to the OWI charge, while the 2 remaining charges were dismissed as part of a plea agreement.
According to court records,
lights flashing, we watching the stops, can't blink an eye when the standard drop. Hit the subscribe, let the 808 slide.